What's going on, everybody? Gunnar here, and today I just want to do a little throwback to 2018 where I spent some time in Brazil. So hope you guys like it. Check it out.
Okay.
See.
He wants it deep, eh? No, it's full sink. Bom dia. Oh, there he is. Ooh. Oh. I'm gonna cry a little bit. Don't mind me.
Cry a little bit, dude, because that was a big fish.
Glide fine.
He didn't hesitate.
This is so crazy.
Look at the blue. Asu! Look at the blue on the tips of the. I can't even talk. Of the dorsal. Look at the blue. Dude, that's the shot you need.
Oh, dude. You want me to land this fish?
Yes. Make sure we see that fish. Oh.
Oh!
You ready?
Yep.
Release.
Oh, it's beautiful. Big yellow. That's a big fish down there. There he is. Oh, grande, grande, grande. Oh, he's got the hump. Woo! Oh, baby. Aye! Yeah, baby.
Yeah! No. Come on! Okay, you ready, Antonio? Okay.
Dude. 2?
Oh my god!
Ah, why?
Alright, I got it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, Paul. Yeah! Yeah!
Hey, boy.
He's got them both. Yeah. It was just a weird angle. No. Hey.
Yeah.
Awesome, David. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. With shoes.
Yes.
Woohoo!
Woo! Wait. Yeah.
With shoes in the net. Gotta get my poop in a group to figure out what I'm gonna say. Although I think I'll keep that. We'll put that line in there. Awesome, you guys. Nice.
Thank you.
Perfecto. See that? Now the beauty of the loop, right? Got a big loose hook eye, you got a big loose non-slip loop. The two are free. You have basically, you know, all of your degrees of freedom are open to that fly, so it can flutter, change directions, turn its head, compress and undulate, and it's not stuck to your leader.
Bye-bye.
He's just...
I'm just breathing in.
He's coming back for revenge.
It's my pet.
He just came back.
He likes him. Amigo.
Peguei. Mas o Mike tá jogando e jogou pro outro lado. É, ele veio de longe, ele veio lá do que era fazendo na
Oh, he's got some kick in him. See a bump on his head?
Yep. Big horny male.
No, man, that's nice.
That's a decent pocket. I got my thumb taped.
You're the best.
3-pounder.
I'm an excellent hand model.
Let him down whenever he's ready. That's our sunset on day 6. Check this out. Avon can work this thing like crazy. Oh yeah. So guys, we'll throw the lures. Gets the fish all stirred up and angry. Pull it out before he eats, especially a big fish. Throw the fly in behind him like a trailer. They just gobble it up. And this year the fish haven't really been topwater, so it's been super simple. Fishing conehead flies and jig flies, basically underneath the choppers and the walk the dog baits. Unreal way to fish, super cool. Get to learn where they cast, why they cast there, imitate it. He hits the pocket, you hit the pocket. Every day you're with a different guide. Every guide fishes a little bit differently. It's so cool to learn from the pros. I mean, they grew up here for 30 years, hand lining, bucktail jigs and choppers. And then you get to fish with them. It's the coolest thing.
So I was down there fishing with nomadic waters, and Just had an unbelievable time. It's one of the coolest things you'll ever do in your life if you ever get the chance. And so I just want to share, most of the fish from that video were caught on a pattern that I designed called the glide fly, which you can check out a full tutorial for. And then I fished mainly bulkheads and jig bulkheads. And I caught fish on just about everything. I mean, I fished fuzz juniors and slow jig clousers and super jerks and just big deceivers. It didn't really seem to matter as long as it had the right size and shape and good action. They were all over it. But I want to share that because I have tutorials for those things. And if you're doing a trip like that, it's such a cool thing to be able to handcraft your own flies and lures and then take that and find success at it. And so yeah, that's honestly, I'm cleaning house. I'm getting rid of a bunch of files, trying to make space on my hard drive, and I reopened my Brazil file and just started watching it and realized there's just a bunch of stuff I didn't ever get around to sharing or figure out how to work it into, and I just kind of like that little video format. So it's just a quick highlight reel. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, and hopefully one day I'll be back in the future for redemption on some of those big fish, because, oh man, still have nightmares about that. Thanks for watching.